Okay, today we're going to take a look at another nice little Zippo. But just a word before I get into that. A few days ago, Land O'Lakes Butter removed their little Indian girl from their packaging. This is the package just a few days ago that I got. Luckily, it'll be worth quite a bit of money in a few years because this is gone. The little Indian girl is gone, and this is what replaced it. Here's the new packaging. So there's a big zero where the Indian girl used to be. And a few things about Land O'Lakes Butter. It's been around for almost 100 years. It'll be in 2 years. It'll be 100 years. Land O'Lakes makes $15 billion a year, and they've been using that Indian girl since 1928. So that's over 90 years. And this all came about because of the Politically Correct Revisionist Society and the Association of Historical Censorship. They want to remove all references to Indians and just replace that with Native Americans. I'm wondering if they know about the state called Indiana, which means land of Indians. What are they going to change that state's name to? I suppose it'll be something like Native Americana. Anyway, they're going to have a big problem when it comes to changing the name of this guy's series, the Indiana Jones series. Okay, that's enough for the Indiana problem. Let's take a look at the new Zippo. And it came in the normal Zippo black box, and it's called Pabst Blue Ribbon. This is actually my second PBR Zippo. There's the other one over here. Let's take a look at this one. Slightly different. Same colors. Just a little bit different. Does this one still work? Yep, that one works nice. Let's take a look at the new one. Looks like street chrome. And it was made in H. Looks like H of 19, which I believe is August. Pretty good stampings on that. Real good sound. The steel insert. It lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on this PBR Zippo. So that stayed lit nicely. That is the second PBR Zippo in my collection, which definitely deserves some cowbell and a baseball game. Knuckle bomb.